Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage serverless architecture with AWS Lambda. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service from the Services menu. Select the Create Function button to initiate the process. Choose an option for building your function. For a quick setup, select Author from scratch. Enter a name for your function. Select a runtime that suits your programming language. Set the permissions by choosing or creating an execution role. Click on the Create Function button to proceed. Once the function is created, you'll be taken to the configuration page. Here, you can scroll down to the function code section. Upload your code directly or use the built-in code editor. If using the editor, write your Lambda function logic in the provided space. Scroll further down to the Environment Variables section. Add any necessary environment variables you need for your function. Next, navigate to the Configuration tab and click on Triggers. Choose an event source that will invoke your Lambda function. Configure the trigger settings as required. After setting the trigger, return to the function code section. Test your function by clicking on the Test button. Create a test event by providing a sample input for your function. Once your test event is configured, click the Test button again to execute. Observe the output in the console area to verify that your function runs as expected. To monitor performance, go to the Monitoring tab. Analyze metrics like invocation count and error count for insights. If needed, adjust memory allocation and timeout settings in the Configuration section. Deploy any changes by saving them when you finish editing your function. Consider implementing version control by creating versions of your Lambda function. Utilize layers for shared code and dependencies across multiple functions. To enhance security, review and adjust IAM roles and policies regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.